Good morning, cousin. Welcome back to a very different but vibey, lo-fi, and chill vlog. If it moves you to do so, go ahead and grab your pen and journal and tune into my rendition of how I'm choosing peace. Remember, the soul has no secret that behavior does not reveal. So let's start by watching your thoughts as they become words. Watch your words as they become actions. Watch your actions as they become habits. Watch your habits as they become your character. Watch your character as it becomes your destiny. I typically start off each weekday by doing things that I love, things that I enjoy, things that bring me literally the utmost jubilation, and it is most likely journaling. My current journaling system consists of a small pocket-sized A6 line journal as well as a A5 slim dot grid journal, but we will get into that one later. In my pocket-sized notebook, I always like to start using this first thing in the morning to basically do brain dumps, where I literally just write any and everything down that's in my head, whether it's already on my to-do list, whether I need to put it on my grocery list, whether it's ketchup, potatoes, whether it's my intentions, whether it's my gratitude, whether it's me being serious, or whether it's me being silly, doodles, quotes, ideas, notes, collections list, morning pages, future video ideas list, upcoming video notes, commemoration and gratitude, especially when I hit 12K. Thank you guys so much. Y'all are legit the best cousins ever. Daily highlights, daily reflections, literally any and everything that this little book can handle as a catch-all journal. After my brain dump, I use this for my daily intention as well as gratitude, just so that I can start the day off on a positive note. Sometimes I will do some morning pages as well, where I literally will write about any and everything, my feelings, what I'm proud of, what's holding me back, what I learned, good things, bad things, random thoughts, high thoughts, literally just whatever is in my head. And as far as tracking my daily habits and intake, my monthly, weekly, and daily spreads are all done on my iPad in GoodNotes. Of course, I could not do a vlog about how I am choosing peace without also mentioning my meditation journey, which, by the way, is still going strong, and I am steadily reaping the daily benefits of it every day. After doing my morning journaling sessions, but first, why not? We need coffee. Now that we have our coffee, it is actually still not time to start the day because we have yet to get into our commonplace notebook, which is my B6 slim size dot grid journal. And I use this for a little bit of everything, but especially anything that inspires me, quotes, ephemera, memory keeping, just a place for me to jot down any inspiring thoughts or poems or phrases, just a place where I can let my mind run wild and piece shit together. just a masterpiece, learning to master peace. Furthermore, with me choosing peace, I have also chosen to disconnect from social media and reconnect to reality. It was starting to leave me feeling drained and unfulfilled after scrolling continuously, and I no longer see the benefits of it. I am proud to say that even before I chose peace, my journey has always led me to drink my water and mind my business. Because I start my day off doing the things that I enjoy, when it finally does come down to working or working out or doing things that I enjoy much less, I do feel that I have more motivation and I'm able to focus because I've first done things that I enjoy and I feel fulfilled. So now I can tackle the other shit. It's the small habits, how you spend your mornings, how you talk to yourself, what you read, what you watch, who you share your energy with, who has access to you that will eventually change your life and have you too choosing peace. Our minds are programmed to perpetually race to keep up with the demands of modern life. So, as far as choosing peace goes, it's a must that you prioritize self-care. Spend quality time with yourself, reading, writing, creating, lighting a candle, taking a bath, taking a shower. Getting to know who you are underneath who you think you should be. It's crazy. Working on yourself never ends. You get better and then boom. Now it's new shit you gotta work on. You steadily unlock continuous levels of growth. Start showing up for yourself. Be selfish at protecting your peace. Set boundaries. Be private. Say no where you need to. Stay true. Refuse to accept any negativity. Don't try to match energy. Vibe with yourself. Trust the process. If it doesn't bring you peace, profit, or purpose, then don't give it your energy, time, or attention. Thank you for watching, cousin. If you're a real one, I will be seeing you in my next one. Peace.